If you're struggling with a C5-C6 disc bulge, neck pain, arm tingling, or even losing grip strength, everyday tasks might feel impossible. You've probably tried everything: physical therapy, painkillers, cortisone injections, even months of treatments that barely made a difference. But here's the truth: most treatments only mask the symptoms, leaving you stuck in a cycle of pain that never ends. In this video, I'm revealing a groundbreaking non-surgical treatment that actually fixes the root cause of the C5-C6 disc bulge. It uses one of only 12 specialized systems in the world right here in Ottawa, with a 90% plus success rate at reducing pain, repairing disc damage, and getting patients back to doing what they love. And here's the surprising part: most people don't even know this treatment exists. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this treatment works, why it's so effective, and where you can find it right now to start your recovery. Stay with me, because this might finally be the solution you've been searching for. Hi, I'm Dr. Zielonka. I'm a neurofunctional chiropractor in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. My YouTube channel focuses on helping those who've been suffering from debilitating chronic back and neck pain. The C5-C6 disc bulge is one of the most stressed areas in the spine. So what we're talking about is, if we look at the spine, you actually number the vertebrae in the neck. They start at number 1, go all the way down to number 7. So we're talking about the 5th and 6th disc. When it's damaged, it doesn't just cause neck pain. It can compress nerves, leading to arm tingling, arm pain, even weakness in your hands. Here's the issue: most treatments only address symptoms like pain and inflammation. They miss the root cause, the damaged disc itself. But when you target the source, the results can be life-changing. Most conventional treatments for C5-C6 disc bulges are outdated. Painkillers, injections, physical therapy might provide short-term relief from well-meaning health professionals, but they don't heal the disc. What if there's a way to not only relieve your pain, but repair the disc without surgery? That's where our revolutionary robotic laser spinal decompression comes in. This cutting-edge, non-surgical treatment precisely targets the damaged disc, reduces inflammation, and promotes real healing. And with a 90% plus success rate, it's helped patients finally get their lives back. Now, let me explain exactly how non-surgical robotic laser spinal decompression actually works, and why it's so effective for treating the C5-C6 disc bulge or C5-C6 disc herniation. Let's start with laser therapy. This advanced treatment uses a Class 4 deep tissue laser, which is one of the most powerful therapeutic lasers available, approved by both the FDA and Health Canada. Unlike standard treatments, it penetrates deep into the tissues to deliver energy directly to the damaged cells. Now, here's why laser therapy is so effective for C5-C6 disc bulges and C5-C6 disc herniations. Number 1, it promotes tissue healing. The laser stimulates cellular repair by increasing ATP production. So that's essentially giving your cells more energy to heal. This accelerates tissue regeneration in the damaged disc and the surrounding areas. Number 2, it reduces pain. By improving blood flow to the surrounding tissues and reducing nerve irritation, the laser provides targeted pain relief without the need for drugs or any other type of medication. Number 3, it decreases inflammation. It lowers inflammation by suppressing the chemical signals that cause swelling and irritation, which is crucial for relieving the compressed nerves. Class 4 laser therapy is powerful on its own, but when combined with our next step, the results are even more remarkable, because it also relaxes the muscle, making this next step more effective. So let's talk about that next step: non-surgical spinal decompression. This cutting-edge treatment works by gently decompressing the cervical spine in a controlled, precise way, creating negative pressure within the disc. That is key. You have to create negative pressure in the disc. It's this pressure that goes way beyond stretching or basic traction. So here's how it helps specifically to a C5-C6 disc bulge. Number 1, it's going to relieve disc pressure. By creating negative pressure inside the disc, spinal decompression is going to help retract that bulging disc material or that herniated disc. We see this on pre and post MRI. This takes the pressure off nearby nerves, which is critical for reducing symptoms like arm pain, tingling, and weakness. Number 2, it restores nutrient flow. So the decompression allows fresh nutrients and water to flow into the disc and toxins to flow out of the disc. This promotes healing by improving the disc's hydration and reversing some of the damage. A normal disc should be 86% water. When you have a damaged disc due to degeneration, or to a herniated disc, or to a bulging disc, as you would in a C5-C6 disc bulge, no way in the world do you have 86% water in the disc. And unfortunately, just drinking more water does not get that water back into the disc. You require true spinal decompression. Number 3, it eases nerve compression. So think about this: we take pressure off the disc, we take the pressure off the nerve, and we also get nutrients and rehydration back to the disc. So as the pressure is relieved, the compressed nerves at the C5-C6 can start to recover, which is why patients often feel immediate relief from pain and other symptoms. Class 4 laser therapy and spinal decompression each have powerful healing effects for C5-C6 disc bulges on their own. But when you combine these two treatments, targeting the injured C5-C6 disc and surrounding tissues with Class 4 laser therapy while simultaneously decompressing the spine, the healing process reaches an entirely new level. Class 4 laser therapy fights inflammation, relaxes muscles, soothes irritated nerves, and promotes tissue regeneration, while spinal decompression relieves pressure on the disc and the nerve and rehydrates that disc. Together, they provide unmatched relief by reducing pain, restoring mobility, and accelerating recovery all simultaneously. There's nothing else like this, in non-surgical treatment options for disc injuries, bulges, and herniations. This revolutionary approach doesn't just manage symptoms, it targets the root cause, and often it's not root cause, it's root causes, giving patients a real opportunity to heal and reclaim their lives. Just like one of our patients, Siba, who suffered and struggled with serious neck pain and numbness caused by C5-C6 disc bulge, these symptoms made the simplest of daily tasks impossible. It affected her work, it disrupted her sleep, it affected her family life, and despite trying painkillers, anti-inflammatories, and various forms of therapy, she found no lasting relief anywhere else. After receiving non-surgical robotic laser spinal decompression at our clinic in Ottawa, Ontario, as part of our neurospinal restoration program, within 2 weeks, she experienced a 70% reduction in her neck pain and arm numbness. Not only that, but she returned to her normal work routine, could sleep through the night. What is that worth to you, and how does that affect everything else from a health perspective? And enjoy her favorite activities again. If you're still struggling with pain from a C5-C6 disc bulge, I hope this video gave you new hope and inspiration. You don't have to live with the frustration and limitations caused by your condition. There are real solutions out there, and recovery is possible. If you're in the Ottawa area or willing to travel like many are, we'd love to help you. Visit our office to see if you're a good candidate for non-surgical robotic laser spinal decompression. We've had people drive 10 hours to see us. But if you're too far from Ottawa, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you find a clinic offering this revolutionary treatment near you. And if you learned something new today or feel inspired, don't forget to like and share this video. More people need to know about the life-changing benefits of non-surgical robotic laser spinal decompression. Together, we can help others find the relief they've been searching for. And don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for more proven tips and strategies to treat and relieve debilitating back and neck pain without relying on drugs or surgery. Now, the next video you should watch is this one. It's about the 4 best exercises for C5-C6 disc bulge. These exercises are designed to help you start relieving neck pain and arm pain right at home so you can get quick relief and take the first steps towards recovery. Go watch this video next.